We're trying to figure out how many miles did Raphael drive. And it tells us that the average is 80 miles each. Well, how do you find the average? You would sum up Carmen's miles plus Juan's miles plus Maria's plus Raphael's. And we've got 4 people. We would divide by 4. And they tell me that that's 80. And we're trying to find Raphael. The problem goes on to tell me that Carmen drove 72 plus Juan drove 78 plus Maria drove 83, and we're trying to figure out what Raphael was. Divided by 4 equals 80. And if we clear our fractions, we would multiply both sides by 4. That leaves you 72 plus 78 plus 83 plus R equals 320. And then 72 plus 78, that's 10. That's 150. And then 83 would be 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. And that would be 233 plus R equal 320. And then let's do 320 minus 233. Borrow 1, that's going to be 3 from 10 is 7. Borrow again. And that's going to be 8. So the answer would be Raphael drove 87 miles. Oh, shoot.